Ranking every type of event venue by how well it works for corporate. A venue is a tool, not a trophy. And here is what actually works. 5-star hotel ballroom, 9 out of 10. Boring. Maybe. Reliable, absolutely. The power works. The AV rigs. The rooms are upstairs. And nobody's incentive trip got ruined by a surprise. Sexy is overrated when 400 people need dinner. Conference center, 7 out of 10. Built for exactly this. Not romantic, but it flexes for big general session and breakouts without a fight. It does a job and it does it well. Private member clubs, 7 out of 10. Instant. Elegance, feels exclusive, guests feel special the second they walk in. Just small, the second your headcount grows, the charms runs out of room. Rooftop or outdoor space, 5 out of 10. Gorgeous on the mood board. Then it rains, or it's 95 degrees, or the wind eats your keynote audio. I love them, with a very serious plan B and sometimes a plan C. Unique or non-traditional space, 4 to produce, 10 for the memory. The museum, the warehouse, the aquarium. No built-in power, no kitchen, no loading dock. You are building an event from zero, but when it works, nobody ever forgets it. The right venue is the one that serves the experience, not the one that looks best on Instagram.